Music festivals, are they overrated? I guess that's very situational and personal to each person. I can tell you this, I've been to Ozfest, Warped Tour. Ironically, I'm wearing a Warped Tour shirt. Louder Than Life, Sonic Temple, and a few others. And I can honestly say that every time I did one of those, I was kind of like exhausted, and I was like, oh man, not being unappreciated, but I was like, that wasn't really worth it to see. It's never, the ratio's never right. It's like maybe 30% good bands. And so I've been seeing a lot of people I know, I'm 42, that are posting stuff at Coachella. And I heard you have to buy 3-day passes, like they won't sell them individually. I'm telling you, that sounds so miserable to me. Sitting in the heat in the desert, crowded. Let's not even talk about overpriced. Just people filming themselves, not actually present, ironically, like I'm doing now. And I don't know, even before phones, Ozfest. I went the year when Black Sabbath reunited with Ozzy, and I remember Slipknot. They were nobody. They played before even 11 p.m. or a.m. It was crazy. And I got tear gassed during Judas Priest, me and my girlfriend and friends at the time. That wasn't cool. But every time I've ever been to a festival, it's just been insanely hot. The bathrooms were very far away, and water was scarce, and so you'd have to buy it. And luckily it was so hot, like I usually didn't want to eat, but to me it's all situational. I don't think it's worth it. I don't like music that much to where I'm willing to like sacrifice my comfort. And I've always been that way. This isn't a 42-year-old thing. Like one of the best shows I ever saw was a few years ago, was Alice Cooper. He played by himself. He was done by 9:30. Loved it, you know. I don't want to stay out. I'm not a kid, but even then, I don't want to stay out till 1:32 in the morning listening to these bands. Personally, that's just me. And then doing that all day, forget about it. Forget about it. It's not my trip. It may be your trip, but that is not my trip. My vote is it's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth the price. And it's too much stimuli, too much all at once. I don't know. I've never been like, yeah, that was awesome. It was always like more inconvenience. The pros and cons don't weigh out. Anyway, let me know what you think.